Hey friends, I just completed the setup of this wonderful website and it hardly took 10 minutes for me. Now using the setup, I am going to deliver a successful and full featured website for our prospective client, which is a cinematography agency, filmmakers, cinematographers, and the related services, you can say. And of course, we got this client at our iCreate program where we used to deliver full featured and stunning business website within 3 days once you start your project. And this wonderful setup is using a perfect WordPress theme for the requirement match, and this is Cinerama. Cinerama is a theme for movie studios and filmmakers, and I completed this complete setup within 10 minutes as I said, and I got this multiple home page options with the theme like interactive home, film festival, carousel home, movie studio, movie portfolio, director home, movie home, full screen title, and naming. So there are many options that we can use as pre-made website, and I can show you some of these. So this is another, this is for film festival landing page. I mean the film festival website. This is really very stunning. And again, we have this carousel home. So we can use this option for carousel home. And this is for movie studio, which is another amazing website. And this one is movie portfolio. Another is movie home. So this is a dedicated theme for movies, filmmakers, and portfolio makers. So you can target any such website with using this wonderful theme, and all the features that you are going to get here is really stunning and modern and very creative in look. So first of all, why I selected this theme, it is very clear now. It is coming from a power elite author. This is being the first reason, and I personally love edge themes and their creativity, and they are really making wonderful WordPress theme. This theme, particularly Cinerama, got above 3,400 sales as of now and got a very good reviews from existing users. And the theme particularly came into existence in 2018, and the regular updates. So this is being the another reason. So regular updates for this theme is coming on time to time. So we are always getting a full matched and technologically sound website using this theme. At our iCreate program, we have very strict parameters to select any particular theme for a website project. Basically, we are intended to deliver a smart and full featured website to all business houses who are willing to run a website at their own after the delivery using the WordPress CMS. So WordPress is a perfect solution for any kind of website, be it a business website or an e-commerce website, as you know. So since I have already installed this theme and this is on pre-production server, and I am taking it to the next level for editing the content, and I'll soon deliver this website project through our iCreate program, and you are also welcome to join the program, of course. So it is going to be free. The program is going to be free, and we are going to provide all the supports regarding installation and basic customization. And there is only one condition for getting all this for free. You have to buy the theme through the video description link. That is an affiliate link, and you can simply buy the theme at themeforest.net using your own account. But yes, link is necessary to be followed. Like this theme can be obtained for $85, and you are going to get a quality checked by Envato and the future updates, 6-month support from Edge theme itself. Of course, we are also providing you the support regarding customization and basic edits, installation and all, but you can officially get all the support from Edge themes once you buy the theme at themeforest.net through the video description link. That is an affiliate link. So you can even buy the theme directly at themeforest.net. This is not a restriction, but yes, it is always recommended to follow the description link so that you may reach on the correct page, correct link. So as I shown, the Cinerama WordPress theme after installation gives us multiple options at pre-made website, and we can target any of such website for cinematography and the portfolio makers, cinema makers, filmmakers, and all such activity related websites. Okay, what I am going to do in this video, I'm going to give you a complete inner view of this installation, and I'll also show you the basic steps that I followed for installing the theme. But yes, it is important to understand all the theme features before you select this theme or any other theme. So as you know, I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel and watching the videos coming on this channel regularly. If not, please subscribe this channel if you are anyhow connected to websites, WordPress websites, and digital marketing even. So it is important to understand all the theme features, what is laying inside the theme, and without watching the complete video, you cannot understand all these things. So this is the objective and purpose of video, to give you inner view of any installation so that you may take a wise decision about buying any theme. So let us start, and first of all, I'm going to give you a sense that what you are going to get in the theme pack itself. So in the theme pack, you'll get the installable theme file, the child theme file, the XML export, that just in case if you need to import demo, licensing and documentation folders are also here. So we are going to use this one simply, an installable theme file. And once the theme is installed, what we got? So we got all the home pages. The number of pages that we got in this demo import is 81. Yes, 81 pages, pre-made pages that you can directly use for your website. All the home pages are of course here, inner pages are also here. So you can use any of these pages for your website project. Of course, you need to update the content according to your services. But yes, these pages are certainly going to help us in layouts and the basic customizations. So these are the home pages. And simply, just in case if you are choosing this movie home, you can edit the theme, edit the website using this edit options. And I chosen WP Bakery as page builder, but yes, Elementor is also available as the page builder. So it is totally up to you how you want to proceed. And since 81 pages are here, we can edit the pages using Elementor Page Builder and WP Bakery. It is totally your choice. So I chosen the WP Bakery, which is more comfortable and more fruitful for our website project. So I'm not saying Elementor is not good, but in our projects, we are mostly using the WP Bakery, which is a most established and advanced page builder, you can say. And it brings all the features, of course, so we can simply edit all the contents using this pencil tabs, and we can add, remove new tabs and all. And if we talk about the plugins that had been installed with the theme, I'll show you the plugin installer the screen. There are 13 plugins that was used in the theme. So here is 14. One is for me. Cinerama Core is the main plugin that is bringing most of the features at the website. Cinerama Instagram feed is for interlinking with the Instagram, of course. Contact Form 7 as usual. Custom Twitter feeds again for connecting with the Twitter. Elementor is the page builder, and further we have WP Bakery as a page builder. So you have to opt any one of these page builder. I'm going to show you the things that I used with the WP Bakery, but yes, you can choose Elementor page builder as well. I'll show you when you will select the demo import. The theme will give you option which page builder you are going to use. And Watermarket is here. QI add-ons for Elementor. In case if you are using Elementor, this is a necessary plugin. This is QI blocks is for adding some blocks, and similarly we have code quick view for WooCommerce. So this theme well supports the e-commerce website. That means the WooCommerce as well. So if you are targeting e-commerce activity using at your website, so you can do this. Sender Revolution is for hero image. WooCommerce is of course here. This is the plugin that I am using. It is not for you. WP Bakery page builder is of course here. So you can choose any of the page builder. I mean either Elementor or WP Bakery along with all these plugins. So now the main question you might be thinking, how I imported the demo content. So I'll take you to the Cinerama dashboard that will give us the options that we follow or that we need to use for importing the demo content. So Cinerama dashboard is there, and I'll show you. After installation at the original domain, not on test domain, keep in mind you have to activate the theme using your purchase key. So you always get a purchase key along with the theme pack when you buy the theme at themeforest.net. So you have to activate the theme at very first instance when the theme is installed. So first activity is to register the theme using your purchase code. Next is giving us the system info that is going to give us idea everything is fine in terms of configuration and the server setups, so that we may be very clear that everything is fine in terms of the configuration of server and that we need to install the theme properly. So this is the idea, and you can see what parameters I am using for this hosting. So I must tell you, I am using a shared hosting plan as always for this installation, and it is our pre-production server that we are using for installing the theme, testing the theme, and once we complete the installation and setup, we take this installation and complete setup to the production server. So this is our protocol that we are delivering in multi-level. So we used to install the theme at pre-production and after that production, and then we take to the live environment. So it is our protocol while delivering the projects at iCreate program. You may also follow the same, and there is a video on this channel itself how you can get the pre-production server for your installation purpose. That is a very helpful video that gives us a free hosting environment in terms of setup and everything that you need to develop our WordPress website. So that is very important. Okay, so coming to the next, system information is here, and I can close rest of the pages to avoid the confusion. Okay, so I am using a PHP memory limit of 1 GB, the latest version of PHP, the post max size and the PHP time limit you can see here, and everything is fine, nothing is red marked here. The next, at Cinerama dashboard, you'll find the import option. This is the main thing. For after installing the theme and all set of plugins, you will get this screen, and after activation the theme, of course. So without activation, this import screen will not appear and we will not work. So this is the option where we can select which page builder we want to use as our website, at our website. So WP Bakery is here, Elementor is here, and first you select the page builder, then you have to select the content that you want to import. Of course, if it is a new setup, you are going to select the all, and for the import attachments it should be always yes, because we need all the images as well, and after that you need to click on import. So this will start the demo content import process, and the process hardly takes 5 minutes. In my setup it took 5 minutes. It may vary upon your setup and environment that you are using, like internet speed and the server and the connectivity with the developer server and all. So it took 5 minutes for me in importing all the demo content. And I also wish to show you how many media items that was supplied in the demo. This is also a very big factor for deciding the time in the demo. So I got all these media items, and I'm going to use most of these, and 477 media items was included in the demo content. So you can see all these media items are very good, and I got MP4 file as well. So just in case, some music files and WebM files are also included in the demo and the media section. So you can use this files subjected you clear the copyright matters, and if you are sure, you can use these media elements at your website. It is very simple, and it is so choose those items that you want to use at your website, and it is always recommended to delete all those items that you are not going to use at your website. So again, there is a video on this channel how you can delete all those media items that you are not using. So unused media contents, how you can clear, so you can watch this specific video on that. 477 media items has been included in the demo itself. So all is here, and we got multiple pages, and similarly we have multiple posts as well, so we can take an idea how we can proceed to customize all these things. Now, Cinerama dashboard is complete, and I'll take you to the Cinerama options. This is the theme option, and this is very comprehensive theme options. So I'll give you a very quick review of this all option, and you are going to use most of these options in customizing your website. At the first instance, we can check this general options, which gives us options to design the style, like enable Google fonts, Google font family, and additional Google fonts we can choose here. Page background color, page background image paragraph, page background image repeat, text, section color set, and the box layout. And all these things in the initial width of content, smooth scrolls, and all these great setups can be available at general options. In the logo section, of course, we need to upload our logo. So there is different logo, like logo image default, dark logo, light logo, sticky logo, and mobile logo. So all these logo can be uploaded from here. Similarly, we have all the controls on the fonts everywhere throughout the website, like header 1, style header 2, H3, H4, and all fonts can be controlled from this screen. So wherever you want to change the font and its size, it can be changed simply from this screen. So this is again very comprehensive. Next, I can see the header area where we can customize our header. So there are 3 header types that we can use at our website, and this is choose header type to customize, like minimal, and the choose header behavior we can fixed on a scroll, and there can be different behaviors, no behavior, sticky on a scroll or sticky on a scroll up and down. Header scheme can be selected, top bar can be enabled or disabled, and further it can be edited using these options. Menu area and grid, background color, background transparency, menu area shadow, menu area border and height, menu area slide padding, full screen menu and grid, full screen menu, alignment, background options, background image, pattern, background image, first level style, and second level style. It is again a very, very big list, so you have to explore all these things, and of course you can take our help in just in case if you need any support. The mobile header is something different, and you can edit the mobile header separately using this screen options. So again, these all settings are available. This is for mobile header. And next we have title options. So we can set the title area and the vertical alignment and the title, font, subtitle, breadcrumbs, and all these things in the title section. In the page setups, we have the page styles, the content style, and the content padding for template and grid, and all these settings. In the sidebar area, we have the sidebar area settings, sidebar layout, and the sidebar to display. We can select here. In the footer section, we have again options to set the footer in width and the uncovering footer. So this is again a very good feature. So the uncovering feature can be set yes or no. So footer on top, of footer top columns, footer top columns alignment, background colors, so footer bottom and the bottom color columns can be decided how many columns you want to display. In the blogs area, we have basic settings for showing up the blogs and its style. In the portfolio options, we have the number of items that we can show in the portfolio, number of columns, space between items, image propositions, and item styles, so title area, and all these settings. So we can of course choose for portfolio area. In the side area, we have again another settings. So select slide from right cover content. So side area type can be decided, can be set up. Content overload, background transparency, select side area icon source and side area icon style, background color, padding, and the text alignment. Further, we have search setting options like layout in the grid or different full width, sidebar layout, sidebar to display, select search type and select search icon source, and icon colors can be changed here. Social networks links can be updated simply, and further we have multiple setups for social linking. like where we want to enable the social share, enable the social share options. So social share on post pages we can select, and share on Facebook. So this can be separately set up. Share on Twitter and LinkedIn, further Pinterest, VK and Instagram and Open Graph. Okay, great. 404 page setup, contact form 7 setup. So, okay, so this is again a good thing that we can even customize the contact form 7, like text color, the focus text color, font size. This is rarely available in any theme. It is good that we can control all these things. So generally, contact form 7 is always in default style, and that really mismatch the theme style. So this is the area where we can even customize the contact form 7. This is good thing. Contact form text typography, and the typography, form label, elements, background border, the elements padding, again elements margin, the text area height, and button typography, button background and borders, the button height, the left and right padding. Further custom style 2 is option here, and so you can choose any of these styles. So there are 3 styles, I believe. Yes. So yeah, contact form 7 is completely customizable here. Next, in the WooCommerce setup, we have the product grid list columns, space between items, product info position, number of products per page, and all these setups for showing up the products on the WooCommerce area. Reset option is also here. We can completely reset all these setup in one click, and backup options. So once you complete your setup, you can take a backup of all these setups, so that just in case it may be disturbed in future, you can restore the same. So simply export this file, and for restoring you can import. So this is very, very good options that we can use here. Now I am going to check the next items that is available. So next is the Cinerama portfolio. Here we can update all the contents in the portfolio. So edit option is here. You can always edit using the page options. Since I am using the WP Bakery, it can be edited using the WP Bakery options. If you are using Elementor, the Elementor page editor will be available here depending upon your choice. So I need to enable the WP Bakery for this area, I mean for the portfolio area. When I'll proceed for editing, I'll definitely enable from the WP Bakery setup. So Cinerama portfolio is here, and you can add a new portfolio category. Similarly, we have testimonials area where we can edit all the testimonials field. So again, I am repeating, you have to remove all those contents that you are not using at your live website. Don't keep any demo content at your live website. Okay. At the next, I can see the basic things like WooCommerce is here, and the appearance, plugins and all, and as in general WordPress setup. Next, the new thing that I can see here, the QI blocks. So the QI blocks is a very standard thing that you can use at your website, and you can use the elements and the templates and even like the setup. So you can simply use the blocks directly at your website. So this is the area when you can use multiple blocks for creating new page styles and all. So this is available inside the theme. So you can also opt to have the premium version of QI blocks, but until it is not necessary, you can go with this. So all the setups is already done at the website. So it is totally your choice. Okay, so I am sorry for all these background noises that is coming from the hawkers and all. So I am sitting at my home while recording this video. So it does not matter because we are much focused at our work only. Okay, so now next is QI add-on for Elementor. In case you are using Elementors, this can be helpful in setting up the widgets and the next setting. So it is a good idea to have this with the Elementor, because you can simply enable the things like accordion, toggles, animated text, call to action and all these things. So it is available for free, and you can further go for settings. So this is add-on for Elementor page builder. So you cannot use this with the WP Bakery. So if you want to use all these elements, go with the Elementor, of course. So next is the code plugins for WooCommerce. Again, it is for customizing the WooCommerce area. Like we can enable the display quick view button or the WooCommerce product loops, and we can enable the quick view on the mobile agent. So this is a very wonderful feature because quick view is always an important thing to give the idea about the product for prospective buyers. So this is again quick view buttons that we can customize the content for quick view, and close icons and all can be set up here. So this is basically for WooCommerce area setup. So it is again a very good thing that is available inside the theme. Slider evolution is the next thing that you can use for editing the hero images. I mean the slider area of the website. Like if we have selected the movie studio homepage, so the slider is related to movie studio can be edited easily. And if you are new to the Revolution slider or even on WordPress, you can make a duplicate before you start editing. So you can simply click on the pencil icon for editing the content on the slider. But what is most important, you have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text content so that you may maintain the design integrity of the website. And again, we are available for everything, for every support, just in case if you need. So simply write in the comment section or join the live chat with a mentor at iCreate program. It is absolutely free. You have to buy the theme through the video description link. There is only one condition. Add themeforest.net. Yes. Okay, so now coming back. So slider can be edited easily using the slider evolutions. And I believe you can do all these things without any external help, without any mental help, because WordPress is a thing where you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. And you can do all it your own, but it is always recommended to go with all backups and all. So that just in case if the layout got disturbed during the customization, you may restore the scene. So the Hostinger and the cPanel based web hosting panels gives automatic backup options. So you can go with that automatic backup option so that you may be very ensured that just in case if your setup is got disturbed, you can restore the backup. So I believe I have shown you much of the things about this Cinerama WordPress theme, and it is going to be a amazing setup, and it is going to give us a wonderful website. So I'm going to deliver a full-featured website within this theme. So of course my team is working. We are all as a team at iCreate program, and we used to deliver a website within 3 days once you start the project. And it is fully optimized, fully SEO oriented, responsive, and everything. All labels checked had been passed, and you'll get all the setups at Google setups like Google Search Console and all that you actually need for launching a website project. So everything is included in a single package, and the package comes at a very nominal price. So don't ignore, don't miss the chance to get a wonderful and full-featured stunning website with the iCreate program. And it is totally for you, and you can have all the services here listed here, and you can explore all the options. The plans are here, and you can simply start the project. And if you have any question, you can definitely connect with a mentor here. So in this video, we overviewed the Cinerama WordPress theme. The installation is very smooth and simple. So you just need to buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. Simply install the theme as I always used to show in my videos, and install all the plugins and go for demo import as I shown you. So everything is going to be fine, and you will get a complete and full-featured website for the movie projects, the cinematographer, for you or for your client. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If somehow you missed to subscribe, please subscribe this channel with the bell button, notification bell button, and we are going to meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep reading.